Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to summarize PDFs with ChatPDF. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to summarize PDFs with ChatPDF, all you gotta do is simply go to ChatPDF. Once you go to ChatPDF AI, you can simply tap on it. Now once you tap on it, all you gotta do is simply scroll down and tap on upload PDF. Once you have done this, you can tap on photos and videos and now select your PDF file. So after selecting your PDF file as well, it will now automatically summarize your PDFs for you. It will just give you the gist about what the particular PDF file was about and what were the main points, and you can also select different kind of prompts to furthermore describe it or summarize it, or you can also ask questions from that particular PDF which will be helpful for you. So this is how you can simply summarize PDFs with ChatPDF. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.